Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Bite. As we head into 2025, we really want to be thinking about how do we thrive in 2025. Therefore, I have three suggestions. First, we need to mitigate the risks that we're experiencing in the global supply chain. So therefore, we really need to be looking at revamping our supply chains, reshoring our supply chains, redesigning our supply chains, expanding manufacturing, and the bottom line is manufacture, manufacture, manufacture. Number two, we want to be going from reactive to proactive, and we want to be thinking ahead of the key strategic decisions we need to be making ahead of time so that we can be set up to be successful in our supply chains. And SIOP, Sales Inventory Operations Planning, is just the process to do that. So look at rolling out a SIOP process. Number three, we want to be looking at upgrading our planning and supply chain processes and use of systems and advanced technologies. So that means we want to be looking at our modern ERP systems, upgrading to them if you don't have one, and then better utilizing those systems to drive results with MRP, advanced planning systems, the use of artificial intelligence, and the like.